Mr. Buffett and Mr. Munger. My name is Will Jacks. I'm from Chicago and I'm a happy shareholder. I first want to thank both of you for the unusual privilege you give us, your time and your expertise. This is very unusual and I think is to be commended. My question has to do with one of the major American industries that, unless I missed something in the reading, that is the pharmaceutical industry, the companies that make medicines. I wonder under what circumstances you might consider those industries for investment by Berkshire Hathaway.
Well, those industries, the pharmaceutical industry has obviously been a terrific industry to invest in. We have trouble, or at least I have trouble, distinguishing among the companies in terms of seeing which ones 10 years from now might be the best ones to be in. I mean, it's easier for me to figure out that Coca-Cola is the soft drink company to be in, or Gillette is the shaving company to be in, or Disney is the entertainment company to be in, than it is for me to figure out which one in the pharmaceutical. But that, I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm just saying that that's difficult for me. We started buying one of them a couple of years ago. We should have continued, but we didn't because it went up an eighth. And your chairman was a little reluctant to follow it. That terrible mistake. But I would say the biggest, and we could have bought the whole industry and done very well at various times, particularly when the threat of what people thought was the threat of the Clinton Health Program cast a big cloud over the pharmaceutical industry. That was a time you could have just bought the whole industry and done very well. We didn't do it. It was a mistake. Charlie?
Well, it's hard to think of any industry that's done more good for consumers generally. When you think of the way children used to die and now they very seldom die. And it's been a fabulous business, and it's been one of the glories of American civilization. But we've admired it, but we haven't been part of it.
We've missed a lot of things, and I'm dead serious about that. And we've missed things that should not have been beyond our capacity to grasp. There's a lot of things that should be beyond our capacity to grasp, but there's some that haven't been, and we've just plain missed them. Zone 1.